Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So firstly, let's begin with some customizations, and in order to do that, simply open the settings. Here let's choose the sound and select Do Not Disturb. As you can see here, we've got a lot of options to customize. For example, we can allow some exceptions for calls. We can choose if we want to allow calls from contacts only or don't allow any calls. I will stick with don't allow any calls. Let's get back. Here we've got a lot of more exceptions. For example, we can allow touch sound, reminders or events. Let's get back. Here we've got some notifications and restricts. For example, we can set that there will be no sound from notification, but we will still see it on the screen. Let's get back. And of course we can schedule that feature. Let's click on it. Now we have no scheduled plans, but if you want to, simply click on Add More. We can choose if it is an event or time. Let me pick time. Just enter some name, for example this one. And here we can set the days, the start and the end time, and how the Do Not Disturb mode should behave. Let's get back. And I think that that's all with the customization. If you want to turn it on very quickly after the whole customization, simply unroll the top bar. And here we've got the Not Disturb icon. Now it is turned on, but if you want to turn it off, simply click here. So that's all. This is how you enable Do Not Disturb mode in your Motorola Edge. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.